Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Archana Videos. Today I am cooking tamarind prawns curry. This Telugu meaning is Chinta Chiguru Royyala Iguru. This curry is very simple and very tasty. You also try this curry and taste it. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. First switch on the stove and take a pan, put on the stove. After heating the pan, pour 3 tablespoons oil. After heating oil, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Next take washed and clean prawns and mix with oil. Up to prawns will have fried. Take 2 chilies and 1 cup of onions, chopped onions into it. Add salt to it. Leave it for 5 minutes. After separately take tamarind leaves and clean the leaves. After 5 minutes, take that 1 cup of tomato pieces and take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them. Leave it 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it curry. Take 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half glass water and mix will make that until cook. After 5 minutes, prawns will be cooked. We will separately take tamarind leaves and rub them between your hands like in the video. Because of this, the leaves will mix with curry and comfortable to chew. Okay, you will try it every curry in tamarind leaves. After 10 minutes, curry water was evaporated. Taste the curry. If the salt chili powder is perfect, and mix that leaves and pour 1/4 cup of water in the pan. Mix well. After 3 minutes, the curry is ready. This is my first video speaking in English. You also like this curry? Try it and taste it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.